Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Tap any text field to summon the Samsung keyboard. You must be using Samsung keyboard as your input. Once the keyboard appears, look for the emoji/smiley key, sometimes hidden under the Enter or comma key with a long press. If you don't see it, go to Settings, Languages and Types, then Samsung Keyboard and enable emojis. This makes the emoji panel available immediately. This first step gets you into the emoji picker fast, so you can start. Once the emoji panel is open, swipe left or right through categories to locate faces, food, objects, and symbols. This saves time versus scrolling. If you need a specific appearance, long press an emoji to reveal skin tones or alternate variants, then tap the one you want. That's how you control nuance. Also, tap the search icon and type a word like heart to filter results quickly. These gestures speed selection and keep your message precise and expressive. Tap any emoji to insert it into your message. You can also enable the predictive bar so Samsung suggests emojis as you type words. If you prefer animations, switch to the GIF or sticker tab for more expression. If the panel freezes or emojis fail to insert, clear the keyboard app cache or restart the messaging app to restore function. If problems persist, toggle Samsung keyboard off and on in settings to reset preferences. That usually fixes stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.